The sun and the moon, a love that endures long ago, before time as we know it began. The sun and the moon lived together in the endless sky. They were inseparable, their light entwined, their warmth and coolness in perfect harmony. The sun, with his golden rays, was bold and radiant, his laughter echoing across the heavens. The moon, with her silver glow, was gentle and serene, her whispers like a soft breeze that soothed the stars. They loved each other deeply, their union lighting up the cosmos. Together, they painted the skies in hues of dawn and dusk, their combined brilliance creating the most breathtaking moments the universe had ever seen. The stars envied their unity, and the earth danced beneath their shared glow, but as the ages passed, the harmony of their togetherness began to disrupt the balance of the world below. The earth, blanketed in constant light, grew restless. The oceans churned, unsure when to rise and fall. The creatures of the land wandered endlessly, unable to distinguish day from night. Crops withered under the unending brightness, and the world began to cry out for change. The great cosmos, keeper of balance, heard these cries and summoned the sun and the moon. With a voice as ancient as the stars, the cosmos spoke. Sun and moon, your love shines brightly, but it blinds the world below. For life to thrive, there must be a time for light and a time for darkness. You must part ways. The sun blazed with fury. How can you ask this of us? We belong together. The moon's light flickered with sorrow. To part is to break our hearts, she said softly. But if it is what the earth needs, then we must listen. The cosmos sighed, the weight of eternity heavy in its voice. You will not be separated entirely. You will take turns watching over the earth. The sun will rule the day, and the moon will rule the night. And though you will be apart, your love will still touch the sky in the moments you meet, at dawn and at dusk. The sun and the moon wept, their tears streaking the heavens in fiery comets and silver shooting stars. But they knew the cosmos was right. For the sake of the earth and all its creatures, they had to let go of their endless togetherness. And so, the sun began his reign over the day, his golden rays bringing warmth and life to the earth. The moon, in turn, took her place in the night, her soft glow guiding the weary and offering solace to dreamers. Though they missed each other terribly, their love never wavered. Every morning, as the sun rose, he would linger on the horizon, hoping to catch a glimpse of the moon as she faded into the sky. And every evening, as the moon ascended, she would wait for the last glimmer of the sun's light before he disappeared. These fleeting moments, the transitions of dawn and dusk, became their secret meetings. In those brief instants, their light would mingle once more, painting the sky in colors that spoke of their eternal bond. The pinks and oranges, the purples and golds, these were their love letters, written across the heavens for all to see. The stars, who had once envied their closeness, now admired their strength. Their love is unbroken, they whispered. Even apart, they find a way to be together. The earth, too, flourished under their new arrangement. Days brought light for growth and work, and nights offered rest and reflection. The oceans found their rhythm, guided by the moon's gentle pull, and life thrived in the balance of day and night. Though the sun and the moon could no longer share the sky as they once did, their love endured. It was a love that transcended distance, a love that persisted even in separation. And so, every dawn and every dusk, as their light kissed the horizon, they reminded the world and each other that some bonds can never be broken, for theirs was a love as old as time, as vast as the universe, and as constant as the rising sun and the glowing moon.